My name is Jeff. Welcome back to Mohawk-Garage. Today, we're back on Winnie the Pooh. Today, I want to find out if the electrical system is going to catch fire or not. I haven't tested any of the 120 volt system that's in there, but I have an idea that I kind of want to use the inside of the RV as a sound studio for the other videos that I'm working on and for voiceovers. Since it's so padded in there, the acoustics are pretty good. And so I just want to make sure that the electrical system is going to work so I can use my laptop and such in there. And I really hope that the air conditioner is going to work. And if the refrigerator works, then I'll be able to keep cold snacks out there. That'd be great. So I'm going to get the cord out of here, get the cord plugged in, plug them up, and see what catches fire. Stay tuned.
Hi, Big Nigger. Oh, hi, Big Pig. Oh, hi, Big Piggy.
All right, just so there's no funny business going on, you can see that the electrical cord is still stashed away in here. If I can get it open. Yeah. Still clearly not used in a very long time. Oh, might be long enough to reach without the extension cord. Well, I wasn't expecting to see that. I think that's a 30 amp plug. I'm not super familiar with these things. It looks like, oh, there's an adapter. That's good. Well, the original cord came up like 3 foot short of reaching to my plug-in box over here. So I got the extension cord on there anyways. Now I'm gonna plug it in and see what happens. I'm gonna open the door first so we can hear the sizzling. All right, here we go. I don't hear anything. You guys see any smoke? Anything like that? Okay, well, no immediate smoke or fire. I have no idea how the electrical system in here works, but the battery is indeed disconnected. So let's go see if anything works inside. Right. Alright, let's see here. That light works. That one also works. How about that? Nothing else electrical in the bathroom. Let's see, light here. That one works. All right, cool. We got power in here. Let's see. The refrigerator work? Well, the lights come on. I don't know if anybody's home. I don't hear it doing anything. Let's see. Got a couple more ceiling lights here. Oh, yeah. Nice. I'm thinking about sitting over here for my sound studio. It'd be kind of cool if these lights work. Oh snap, got a spotlight. Just the one. That's okay. I'm the only one that needs to be in the spotlight here. Okay, I did find a plug-in finally. It turns out they're located on the ceiling. So, plug this guy in. See, there's 2 lights on that, which means it's good to go. Okay, let's get this place cleaned up a little bit where I can work in here. fuse panel. How about that? That was what was making that noise the whole time. How about that? Cover for the AC. That's good. Maybe one day I'll put it back on. Got an indoor thermometer over there. It says it's 90 degrees in here. Sweet. Okay, after like 4 rounds of vacuuming, plus disassembling the vacuum and unclogging it because it totally got clogged up, the floor's kind of clean. Okay, that's a good start. Now what? No idea how this air conditioner works. I know there's a thermostat over there on the wall, but these look like switches. Deflector there. Okay, that one turned a little bit. Doesn't seem to do anything though. This one. Yeah. I can't turn that one. And the thermostat doesn't seem to do much. Let's see what happens when we turn this switch on the AC. Not that way. Let's try it this way. Oh snap! It came on. Sounds like the blower might be stuck. I'm gonna turn it off before it blows up. Oh snap! Oh! The AC just came on! No way! Making a lot of noise. Not blowing any air. I'm gonna turn it off just so that the hopefully don't burn up the fan. Maybe I can blow it out or lube it up or something. That would be so cool. Yeah, if I reach right up in there, you see the squirrel cage fan. She's pretty stuck. Moves a little bit though, so I'm gonna get some lube on her. All right, I haven't had much luck lubing electrical motors and getting them to work again, but maybe it'll work this time. Shoot a little bit up here, right into the area where the fan rides on. Try and give it a little spin. That does not look promising. Let's try it again. See if it spins. Spoiler alert, it does not. Okay. What else can I do with this thing here? It does feel like it's freeing up a little bit. If I put it on high. Okay, moving a little bit. Come on, come on. Get going. Come on, you're going. You're going. don't want to burn the compressor out because it sounds like it's working. I want to get this fan working too. Well, I was trying to revive that air conditioner and I think I might have burned up the motor in the fan, which was already pretty stuck. So, that sucks. Maybe I can find a motor to replace it. But then I still don't know if the AC part of it works. Sounds like the compressor was kicking on, so maybe it works. Good news, however, is that the fan's not blown up. It does come on still. Oh, keep going. Don't stop now. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on. Give you a little more power. Come on. Oh, it was totally running for like 1 second. All right, turn it off so I don't overheat again. But it was blowing. It was blowing there for just 1 second. I don't know what that is. All right. After a little more persuasion, it's on, it's running, the fan works. Let's see if the compressor kicks in. Okay, fan, compressor. Can I get some cold air? Makes a lot of noise. Holy crap. Oh, it's blowing cold air. Oh, that's so good. My studio got AC, boys. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, round 2 is in the books. And I won. I plugged it in, it didn't catch fire. I tested the AC, it didn't freaking work. I fixed the AC. Now it's blowing cold. Hopefully you can hear me over the top of it. If you have watched this whole video, I really genuinely appreciate you spending your time with me. This one probably wasn't all that interesting, but I gotta put out this content. So, if you're ready to see what happens next, click that subscribe button. If you missed the last episode, you can find it right here. Thanks for watching. See you next time. I swear she thinks this shit's funny. Stop it! Stop it! Stop chasing me! Friggin' pig! It's not that funny.